Heaton here with the Grosbeck Group and Compass Real Estate at 1104 9th Street. We're going to take a look at one of the units at this duplex. We are 1 block away from Commercial Avenue, downtown Anacortes. The entrance has a walkway coming up, which is wheelchair accessible, has a large spacious deck. This is the living room, large and spacious with wood flooring, tall ceilings, large wood fireplace, big windows to offer a lot of light. The living room opens up into a huge dining area for entertaining multiple people. This is huge. You could use as a sunroom, a sitting area. This is your kitchen area. Again, it's a spacious, every room in this house is very spacious for being a duplex. Has a gas range, retro kitchen cabinets and cupboards, and tall ceilings. This is one of 3 bedrooms in the house. Here is the master suite that opens into another bedroom with its own closet. The current tenants have used this as a bedroom. Can be used as a bedroom or just another area, loft area, art studio, whichever you prefer. We are at the second unit of this property. This is 816 O Avenue. We are, again, a block away from Commercial Avenue, where all of the shops and restaurants are. This is a cute little house, 1 bedroom, 1 bath. Lives very large. This is the large living area that has some built-ins. We have a one bathroom over here, full bath. This is the kitchen area, very nice sized kitchen with plenty of cupboard space. This is your 1 bedroom in here with closet space on either side. And then this is your laundry room slash second entrance into the property. Again, this is a great investment property. You could rent both units. You could live in the larger one and rent the smaller one. You could live in the larger one and keep the smaller one as a mother-in-law. I'm Heaton with the Grosbeck Group and Compass Real Estate.